There's a pan in the middle of Tepe Island that is slowly drying up. There's several birds and herons that use this pan, and a regular pair of wattled cranes. Wattled cranes are highly endangered, and the delta provides a great sanctuary for them. They're amazing. They seem to dance. They move together and the sort of patterns cross. It's always incredibly beautiful to watch.
What an incredible animal. So many features that set it apart from other lizards. Perhaps the most noticeable and the most incredible for me are these eyes. Eyes that can move in different directions. I mean, unimaginable. What must it be like to be able to see behind you and in front of you at the same time? Just look at them constantly on the move. Another of the fascinating features of this group of lizards is the prehensile tail. You can see it wrapped around this twig, acting as a fifth limb, helping this animal to climb through low bushes and small trees. Many times today it gapes its mouth very widely. Now this can be a threat display, or they will do this when they feel threatened and they've got a showing that don't mess with me. But they will also, when they do that, they puff their body up as well and may even hiss. But this one isn't doing that here today, and I really feel this is really to do with the fact it's very hot this morning. They will also gape to help them lose heat, and I'm sure that's what this one is doing. I think we're being very careful and slow around it, not getting too close, so I don't think that's a problem for this particular individual. While it's gaping like this, we do get the chance though to see right inside that mouth, and look at those teeth in there. A lot of small triangular shaped teeth. Apparently it will bite you if you try to grab hold of it, and with those teeth in there, I'm sure it could do a little bit of damage. In fact, some people even believe that this lizard is poisonous, but it's not, of course. There are very few lizards that are, and they're only found in the United States, as far as I know. The only one I can think of, the Gila monster, the beaded lizard. There are some other species that have very, very dangerous bacteria in their mouth. It's as good as a poison because it'll kill you. The Komodo dragon in Indonesia is the most famous example of that. Apparently, mating in this creature can be very aggressive. and can last up to an hour. And then the female lays enormous numbers of eggs. 25 to 50 is normal, but more than 50 has even been known. And these will develop according to the temperature of the season. So it can take over a year before the hatchlings come out of those eggs. Quite amazing. And then all these tiny little chameleons hatch out, just about 2 centimeters in length. Imagine that, what a spectacle that must be.
As we drifted down onto Bikini Reef this morning, we are surrounded by a beautiful school of schooling coachmen. You always find these big congregations of fish on the current side of the reef. And that, I mean the side which the current actually hits first. This is a clump of finger coral, and inside it is a very beautiful little fish called a pellet surgeon. Nice big helmet coral. And another cup coral with a half moon rock cod nicely tucked up in this little cup coral. Often you'll find fish using bit parts of the reef for protection and for camouflage. They hide in these particular little spots and keep a good eye around on what's going on. And then a little further down we come across one of the master of disguise fish, the raggy scorpion fish. Even here you can't really see or make out the fish, but when this animal actually moves, it's the only time you can really see that it's a fish. It was really a nice pretty dive.